it'll be a little bit that way. But it is a live product. And that's why it works. Because when you put it on your skin, those cytokines, those interleukins, those communication methods that the cells are using, now you're introducing to your skin. And it's going to go into your cells, and it's going to tell your cell to rejuvenate. It's going to tell your cells to rebuild, to renew. And that's why you're getting the improvements. A lot of people get improvement in their pores. A lot of people get improvement in their texture. A lot of people get improvement basically in overall feel of their skin. And it takes time for these cells to replicate collagen. It takes 3 to 6 months to see the results. But people feel the change much sooner. And when we look at the data that we have, you've seen most of these things. So people saw, 88% saw that their skin got better, 75% saw that the texture was smoother and nicer, 70% saw that there was firmer, but that takes a little bit longer, and the fine lines got better. Not the deep lines, the creases that I showed you that I couldn't even do with surgery, but the fine lines will get better. We have some testimonials from patients who had used it for different things. This woman got a burn. 8 days later, with the Luminous, she's much, much better, and she's healing. Here's another one that got burned, and again, you see much improvement. I've seen improvement in patients with rosacea, with acne, with all sorts of inflammatory processes that when you put Luminous on, it goes in and it reduces the inflammation because that's what the cytokines are doing. They interact with your cells, reduce the inflammation, and improve your skin. So that's where we are today with Luminous. The next project which we're working on is using the stem cells to make the rest of the skin product line so that we can do more things with it, since this is going to do most of the basic things that we want to do, but it doesn't do exfoliation. It doesn't do sunblock. It doesn't do all the other things that are necessary for good skincare, and that's going to be coming in the pipeline. But what's really exciting and what I'm looking forward to seeing if we can make it work and to see how well it works is this hair product. So I'm going to try to get these stem cells and we're going to test it to see if we can get really good hair growth using the language of the stem cells to signal the cells to help the hair grow instead of stopping it from growing. Because the reason we lose our hair, because our body gets the signal to stop the hair from growing. So if you do the opposite or block that action, you're able to regrow the hair. And that's what we hope to show that we're able to do.